Waku Waku! If that little sound just made you smile, you already know exactly who we are talking about today. Sitting on my desk right now is a 7-inch plush of Anya from Spy X family, officially licensed by Great Eastern Entertainment. It is soft, it is huggable, and it has that mischievous look that made this character a global fan favorite. But here is the real question. At around 5,174 rupees, is this little pink-haired spy in training actually worth your money? Or is it just another overpriced anime collectible? Stick around, because in the next few minutes I will break down every single detail. Let us talk about why this plush matters right now. Spy X family exploded onto the anime scene, and Anya became the internet's favorite character almost overnight. Her expressions, her peanuts obsession, and her telepathic reactions turned her into a meme, a mascot, and honestly, a personality. So naturally, fans want merchandise. But here is the catch. The market is absolutely flooded with cheap, unlicensed knockoffs on random marketplaces. You have probably seen them. Wonky eyes, uneven stitching, that strange chemical smell when the package arrives. For a series this popular, finding an officially licensed plush that actually looks like Anya, feels premium, and holds its value as a collectible is surprisingly difficult. That is exactly the gap Great Eastern Entertainment is trying to fill. They have been producing licensed anime merchandise for years. And this sitting pose plush is their attempt at giving you a piece of Anya that is safe to display, safe to gift, and safe to actually keep on your shelf without embarrassment. Alright, let us unbox this properly. Straight out of the packaging, you get the Anya Forger sitting pose plush standing at exactly 7 inches tall. She is in her signature seated position, wearing the Eden Academy uniform, complete with that iconic red beret style hairpiece and those signature green eyes with the little star sparkles. The pink hair is fluffy but not messy, and the stitching around her face is clean and symmetrical. There is a string attached at the top, so you can hang her if you want. And she comes with an official Great Eastern Entertainment tag that confirms authenticity. First impressions? She is smaller than I expected, but she is also cuter in person than in the product photos. Now let us get into the details because this is where you decide if it is worth the price. Starting with size. The plush measures 7 inches in height, which in metric terms is about 17.8 centimeters. That puts it in the small to medium collectible range. Perfect for desks, shelves, or car dashboards, but not really a hug-sized cuddle buddy. The exterior fabric is a short pile plush material that feels smooth and slightly velvety, not the cheap fuzzy stuff you find on claw machine prizes. The filling is a standard polyester fiber fill, giving her a soft but structured feel so she can actually sit upright on her own without flopping over. That is a big deal, because a lot of sitting pose plushies just collapse. The face is embroidered, not printed, which means the eyes, the mouth, and those little star highlights will not fade or peel over time. Color accuracy is genuinely impressive. The pink of her hair matches the anime exactly, and the black and white uniform has crisp contrast. She also has a small display string sewn into the top of her head, so if you want to hang her from a bag, a hook, or a display stand, that option is built in. The tag lists the official licensing from Toho Animation and Great Eastern Entertainment. So if you are a collector who cares about authenticity for resale value later, this checks that box. In terms of care, this is a surface clean only plush, so no throwing it in the washing machine. So who is this actually for? Let me walk you through a few real scenarios. Scenario 1, the anime collector. If you have a shelf dedicated to figures and plushies, Anya fits right in. She sits without support, so she looks great next to Nendoroids, Funko Pops, or larger scale figures. Scenario 2, the desk companion. At 7 inches, she is the perfect size to sit next to your monitor without blocking your view. I have had her on my desk for a week now, and she genuinely makes work calls more bearable. Scenario 3, the gift. If you have a friend, sibling, or partner who is into Spy X family, this is a safe, universally loved gift. The official tag also makes it feel more premium when wrapped. Scenario 4. The car or bag accessory. Thanks to that display string, you can hang her from a rearview mirror or clip her onto a backpack. Though I would personally keep her indoors to protect the fabric. What she is not built for is being a sleeping companion or a toy for very young children, simply because collectible plushies like this are not designed to survive daily rough handling. So, here is my honest verdict after living with this plush for a week. The Great Eastern Entertainment Anya Forger Sitting Pose plush is a genuinely well-made, officially licensed collectible that captures the character beautifully. The embroidery is clean, the colors are accurate, and the build quality justifies the licensing badge. Is 5,174 rupees a lot for a 7-inch plush? Absolutely, yes. In the Indian market, that price stings largely because of import and licensing costs. But if you are a serious Spy X family fan, or you collect officially licensed anime merchandise, this is one of the few Anya plushies you can actually trust to be authentic. If you just want any Anya plush for casual display, and price is your main concern, you can find cheaper unofficial options. But if authenticity, build quality, and long-term collectability matter to you, this one earns its place. I am giving it a solid 8 out of 10. If this review helped you decide, the buy link is right in the description below. Let me know in the comments which Spy X family character plush you want me to review next. Lloyd, Yor, or maybe Bond. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like if Anya made you smile even once in this video, and I will see you in the next review. Waku Waku.